Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Do you remember what we have learned in last class? We learned possession words. Did you understand possession words? Yes. So you all understood possession words. Today we are going to learn a sound. We are going to learn a sound. Now look here children. Can you see this? Which alphabet is this? This is U. Alphabet is U, but the sound is A. Now we'll see some words with a sound. Are you ready children? Now look here. See the first one children. Can you see this picture? What is this? Urn. What is this children? Urn. What is the spelling? U-R-N. Urn. Repeat it children. Urn. Now, what is the sound here? A sound. What is the sound here? A sound. Now, here is the second picture. Can you see this children? Yes, all of you know this. What is this children? Umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. What is the spelling? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. What is the sound here? A sound. A sound. Now, see the third one. Can you see this picture? Umpire. What is this children? Umpire. What is the spelling? U-M-P-I-R-E. Umpire. What is the sound here? A sound. Repeat it children. A sound. Here is the next one. Uncle. Repeat it children. Uncle. What is the spelling? U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. Repeat it children. Uncle. What is the sound here? A sound. A sound. Here is the next one. Can you see this? Yes, this dog is under the table. The dog is under the table. Repeat it children. Under. Repeat it. Under. What is the sound? A sound. What is the spelling? U-N-D-E-R. Under. Under. Now, here is the next one. Can you see this children? A girl is on a ladder. Up. Repeat it children. Up. What is the spelling? U-P. Up. What is the sound here? A sound. A sound. Up. U-P. Up. Did you understand children? So, we learned a sound. So children, we learned a sound. Now we are going to learn U word family. The alphabet is U and the sound is a sound. We are going to see up sound and ug sound. Are you ready children? Now look here. See the first picture children. What is this? Cub. Cub. What is the spelling? C-U-B. Cub. Repeat it children. C-U-B. Cub. What is the sound here? Up sound. Up sound. Cub. Up sound. Now, see the next picture. Rub. What is this? Rub. What is the spelling? R-U-B. Rub. R-U-B. Rub. What is the sound here? Up sound. Up sound. Here is the next picture. Tub. What is this, children? Tub. What is the spelling? T-U-B. Tub. T-U-B. Tub. What is the sound here? Up sound. Now, see the next one, children. U-G. Ugh words. See the picture. What is this, children? Bug. B-U-G. Bug. Ugh sound. B-U-G. Bug. Ugh sound. Here is the next one. See this picture, children. Hug. Hug. H-U-G. Hug. Repeat it. Hug. What is the sound here? Ugh sound. Now, see the next picture. Jug. What is this, children? Jug. What is the sound here? Ugh sound. What is the spelling? J-U-G. Jug. Ugh sound. Here is the next one. What is this, children? Rug. Repeat it. Rug. What is the spelling? R-U-G. Rug. R-U-G. Rug. What is the sound here? Ugh sound. Here is the next one. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. What is the sound here? Ugh sound. Now, look here, children. We have two boxes here. We'll read these words. See the first box, up words. C-U-B. Cub. Repeat it. C-U-B. Cub. What is the sound here? Up sound. What is the next one? Rub. R-U-B. Rub. R-U-B. Rub. Repeat it, children. R-U-B. Rub. What is the sound here? Up sound. See the next one. Tub. T-U-B. Tub. Repeat it. T-U-B. Tub. Up sound. Now, see the next box, children. We have U-G. Ugh words. See the first word. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. Repeat it, children. B-U-G. Bug. Ugh sound. See the next one. D-U-G. Dug. D-U-G. Dug. What is the sound here? Ugh sound. See the next one, children. H-U-G. hug. H-U-G, hug. Ugh sound. See the next one. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. Ugh sound. See the next word. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. What is the sound here? Ugh sound. See the next word. P-U-G, pug. Repeat it, children. P-U-G, pug. What is the sound here? Ugh sound. See the next one. R-U-G, rug. Repeat it. R-U-G, rug. What is the sound here? Ugh sound. See the last one. T-U-G, tug. What is this, children? T-U-G, tug. What is the sound here? Ugh sound. Did you understand, children? So we learned U word family. The alphabet is U and the sound is a sound. Did you understand, children? So children, we learned a sound. Now we are going to do an activity. Some pictures will pop up on the board and we'll try to name them. Are you ready, children? Let's do it. See the first one, children. What is this? You should tell what is this. Yes, we learned it. Cub. Very good. Cub. What is the sound here? Up sound. What is the spelling, children? C-U-B. Very good. Now, see the next one. Yes. What is this, children? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, we learned it. Rug. Very good. Rug. What is the spelling, children? R-U-G. Can you tell me what is the sound here? Ugh sound. Very good. Ugh sound. Now, I'll show you one more picture. Here it is. What is this, children? Tub. Very good. Tub. What is the spelling? T-U-B. What is the sound here, children? Up sound. Very good, children. Now, I'll show you one more picture. See this, children. What is this? Bug. Very good. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. What is the sound here? Ugh sound. Did you understand, children? Now, can you identify a sound? Okay then. See you in next class. Thank you, children.